Here's a new 2019 Honda Odyssey. It's about bringing family together, staying connected along the way, and giving you that sense of home no matter where your journey takes you. It comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rearview mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. Of the Odyssey, the Car Connection writes, it stands at the top of the minivan heap with more design flair and more driving enjoyment than most other three-row rivals. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
For the best dealership experience of your life, come to Sarah Honda, Grandville. We're easy to find, just 1 mile west of the Rivertown Crossings Mall in Grandville.